Yo guys, what's up? So today we're gonna be reviewing two Fortnite blasters, which was in maybe what I said. These two right here. Okay, we're gonna start off with cutting it open. So please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the bell. It's down here. And so we're gonna get it open here. So, man, this is a big box. And I did put a rubber band on it because I just okay, wow. It comes with 20 darts, so that's a lot of darts. Alright, we're gonna have to get it. Alright, this looks pretty good. Right here. So we're gonna move the box, and then we're gonna get the magazine. We are. Wow, so it's not gonna run right now because there's no. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. 3, 2, 1, boom. The power of editing, guys. Wait, what? I'm gonna probably have to put new batteries. I don't think the batteries don't have much power. Well, okay, yeah, so we're gonna have to get the 20 ones. Okay. Comes with instructions. Oh wow, that was satisfying. To just see a leaked dirt come out of there. And there's instructions that I don't need. Oh wow, okay. So yeah, so I have this mag, but when I use it, it usually gets stuck. I don't know why, you guys. So I probably won't load it up. But yeah, probably won't load it up because it gets stuck. So yeah, we're just gonna here. Alright, now we should move that. Now we have the big gun. Oh, I cannot. This one. Now let's open it. There. Alright. I'm gonna have to just, man, it comes like the stock attachment cannot be compatible with other ones on here. Can't attach it to your like retaliator. Now this is a lot of fun. Alright, we're just gonna put this together. Alright, now let's put the thing where you pop it back. Alright, there we go. Now the scope. Alright. Scope looks pretty cool. Oh, there's also this thing, the damn door. get the 12 starts out. Oh, there's also one more thing, the mask. Alright, there's all the where is it? Alright, so we're just gonna put the magazine, loading them up. So I think this would be pretty accurate if I put green waffle darts in it. So yeah. That would be pretty accurate. Alright, we're just gonna load up this. So yeah. I probably have to like put new batteries in there, guys. And to this one, just run like this. I want to run over like that. Alright. We're gonna first start off with the we're gonna start off with the Fortnite AR. Oh. Alright, fire's pretty good. Now we got the big gun. So yeah. Here you go. So yeah, this is a pretty big gun. I like it. You know, it has a lot of cool detail along here. Pretty cool detail. So yeah, so that would be today's video. So yeah, I'll be posting every day, like 3 videos every day. So yeah, so I told you I would do this video tomorrow, this gun tomorrow, which I actually couldn't because I was gonna do part 2 or something. So yeah, this is this gun. So I'll just show you. I was just gonna show you. So yeah, it does fire. You just put that thing in there, and then you cock it back, and you put your round in there, and you just let it fire. So yeah. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell button down below. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed my video and have a great day. Bye guys.